Mr. President, the lady from Antique is seeking the floor. I move that he be
Senator
she be
Legarda
recognized,
is
Mr.
recognized.
President.
What is your pleasure, ma'am?
Thank you, Mr. President. It's been 3 hours and a half with the very enlightening discussions. I just wanted to clarify, and actually, may I convey that there is a sliver of a difference between the two motions, so I wanted to be clarified. The original motion to dismiss, I believe, has been amended based on the discussions to the motion to archive.
Yes.
And the motion to archive, in my understanding, based on all the explanations, would be without prejudice to the reopening of the possibility after the Supreme Court conveys its ruling on the motion for reconsideration.
Yes.
And therefore, in the possibility of the event that it reverses itself, then we would act accordingly.
That is correct. Yes.
On the other hand, there is a motion which takes precedence, and that has been the motion of the minority leader to lay on the table the motion. But when you see and interpret the amended motion of the original movement, Senator Marcoleta, and the minority leader's motion, it's similar because it lays on the table, or it somehow just postpones indefinitely until such time that the Supreme Court has decided on the motion for reconsideration. Is there any possibility that
May I
we can
explain the
agree so that we can amend it so that the body can actually vote as one? Because we are not putting it to a permanent halt, because we will be waiting anyway for the motion for reconsideration by the Supreme Court.
Yes, Mr. President.
The ruling on that.
May I have
Yes.
1 minute to explain the difference?
I know that there is.
Yeah.
Let me state. I know there is a difference. I was just trying to bridge
Yes.
the difference so that there is no need for a painful vote.
Yes, I will just explain the
yes.
difference so that we
Senator
know.
Cayetano is
Yes.
recognized with the permission
Yes.
of Senator Rintulfo.
Thank you. Mr. President, the reason why I want to explain the difference, para malaman natin bakit malapit pero malayo.
Yes, okay.
Because when you laid it on the table, ang ibig sabihin niyan, buhay pa yung impeachment. Samantalang ang sinabi ng Supreme Court, immediately executory. So pag lay on the table, buhay pa yan, pero mamamatay yan paglabas ng MR. Pag in-archive mo, baliktad. Patay na yan. Kasi sinabi na ng Supreme Court, immediately executory.
Void ab initio.
Pero mabubuhay yan pag binuhay ng Supreme Court. Now, ang ibinigay na po ni Senator Marcoleta sa atin, pumayag na siyang tanggalin yung word na dismiss. Because nga, even I question, we're going to dismiss, wala nga jurisdiction. Although there's a Supreme Court ruling saying na pag wala ka na magawa, walang jurisdiction, i-dismiss. So the proposal, which is accepted by Senator Marcoleta, is that we adhere to the decision and then archive it. So ang natural effect nun, sinunod natin yung Supreme Court na immediately executory. Wala tayong, we cannot say na tama to, malito, malito. You only have 2 choices. Do you follow the Supreme Court or you don't follow? You cannot say tama to, malito. So I think that's the level of disagreement.
Okay,
Mr.
I
Chair.
take note of that, and I was trying to have a unanimous vote and trying to bridge the two motions, which, based on Rule 31, there is actually no motion to archive, but actually every day we archive in our referral. So because of that practice, then that motion is therefore acceptable. Having said that, Mr. President, let me just summarize what we are voting on. We're actually, and I will just say it, the very, very short dispositive portion of the Supreme Court decision. And this is the article, and I quote it, the articles of impeachment are declared barred by Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution. Likewise, they are unconstitutional and are deemed null and void ab initio. Consequently, the Senate did not acquire jurisdiction to constitute itself into an impeachment court, and this decision is immediately executory. I just wanted to summarize what we've been discussing for 3 hours and a half. And while my attempt to bridge the two similarly worded motions did not succeed, then we will therefore have to put it into a vote.